Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a listing on eBay. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your eBay account. You can do this using your existing credentials, and eBay also allows you to log in using your Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts. If you haven't registered yet, this is a great time to create your account. You can choose between a personal or a business account by providing your full legal name, email, and password, and then following the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once you're logged in, navigate to My eBay and click on Summary. If you have items listed for sale, go to Selling and find the specific listing you want to delete. Simply click on the listing to proceed with the deletion. It's a straightforward process. If you encounter any issues while trying to delete your active listing, you can visit the Help and Contact section. Type in queries like delete a listing or ending a listing to find relevant assistance. eBay's customer service and self-help panel are readily available to guide you through any difficulties. Remember, you can end a fixed price listing at any time, but auction listings can only be ended under certain conditions. Where you decide to end your listing, you will be prompted to confirm the deletion. This method has been tried and tested multiple times and is effective. By following these steps, you can successfully delete your listing on eBay. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.